Hello, students. Okay, so week 5 is now underway. You guys have been doing really great. Keep up the good work. We're almost done, I promise. So moving into week 5, we are going to be talking about the civil rights movement. And here it says part 1, and that's because civil rights movement is a really big unit, so we're going to break it down into 2 weeks. So this week is part 1, next week will be part 2. That being said, we don't have a lot of work to do this week, so let's just jump into it. First, let's start with the discussion post. Same thing as last week, you're going to be answering one question as your attendance for the entire week. The question is, what activities are you doing to stay busy at home? So let me know what you guys are doing. And if you're watching movies or watching TV, let me know what you're watching because maybe I will start watching it. Okay, so that is attendance. Then let's move into the worksheet for this week. So the worksheet is a Google Doc. You will open it up. And it is pretty much the same thing as that first week's worksheet, that New Frontiers worksheet. So this is going to be about groups, people, tactics, and legislation of the civil rights movement. So the directions say, use the internet to research the elements of the civil rights movement and fill in the blanks in the definition column. Create a visual representation of the program or policy in the visual box. Then explain how this concept contributed to the success of the civil rights movement in the last box. This is a longer assignment because this is your only assignment for the week. Okay, so again, the groups or the policies are linked here. You will open it up, fill in these blanks, Google a picture, and then tell me how that contributes to the success of the civil rights movement. So you will finish this whole worksheet, okay, and then click submit, and that is all for your assignments. Then we have our quiz. So the quiz is also 8 points, 7 multiple choice, and 1 short answer. This quiz will be open for this week and next week. Okay, so you have 1 quiz for 2 weeks. So you can take it at any point during these 2 weeks. I have also provided a study guide. The study guide can be found in modules, so it's not going to be on the homepage. You're going to have to go into modules to actually access the study guide. And the study guide is as normal, pretty similar to the quiz questions itself. You can have it pulled up when you're taking the quiz. You can have it next to you. You can annotate it. However you want to treat that study guide, it's there for your help. Yeah. And then I also included in modules, it says biographies, extra info. So what that is, it's just a website that has a bunch of biographies about people during the civil rights movement. So feel free to use that to further your knowledge about this movement, because this is a really important part of American history and you guys should know the important people from this time. So please take some time to research these people and learn something new. Okay, so that is it. That is it for this week. You have a quiz, you have that worksheet, and you have some extra stuff that you can use, the biographies or the study guide, but pretty simple week ahead of us, okay? A reminder, progress reports, the grades are due, so those are already in. Remember, your progress report is not going to be mailed to you or anything like that, so do not stress. If you want to know your grade, look on Skyward. I always keep it up to date. It is there for you. Use Skyward and make sure you're turning in your work. Turn in your late work. I will accept anything late, so turn in anything from this quarter, okay? Well, that is it from me, so I hope you guys have a good week. We are almost there. The end is in sight, okay? Have fun with this week. This week's information is really cool. And I'll see you guys next week.